Radhika Yadav. Welcome you all in RES News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. Vacations for a student from class 9 to 12 is going to start from 21st of May. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE directs school to set up sugar board to curb high sugar intake. Now some national news. First, curb on imports from Bangladesh impacts Tripura. Second, Ashoka University Associate Professor Ali Khan Mahmoodabad was arrested for social media post in the wake of Operation Sindoor. Now some international news. First, guided tour of museums conducted to mark International Museum Day. Second, IMF imposes 11 new conditions on Pakistan warning against risk to bailout program. Now some entertainment news. Paresh Rawal confirms Hera Fairy 3 exit says had no creative difference. Now some sports news. Having breached 90-meter barrier, Neeraj Chopra likely to finish among the greatest. Second, Praghananda wins Superweight Classic after a tough tie-break. Now some Scout and Guide news. Jhalak Raghuvanshi of Raj University School got 97.8% in her class 10th board examination. Now some educational news. JNU, IIT Bombay and more Indian institutions suspend MOUs with Turkish University. Second, Madras High Court says NEET UG 2025 result as Chennai students point to power cut in exam centers. Now some other news. KL Rahul breaks Virat Kohli's big record and became fastest Indian to score 8,000 T20 runs. Second, Israel launches major ground offensive in Gaza, even a Netanyahu signal openness to end war. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. The vacations for a student from class 9 to 12 will commence on May 21st at Raj University School. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE has asked affiliated schools to see top special display board to raise awareness about high sugar consumption among students. Now some national news. First, India's decision to curb import from Bangladesh via land port will impact bilateral trade activities in Tripura and the other part of the Northeast India. Second, Ashok University Associate Professor Ali Khan Mahmoodabad was arrested on Sunday by Haryana Police. Now some international news. The International Museum Day was marked by an engaging initiative titled Museum on Wheels, in which nearly 130 participants were taken on a special heritage ride across 4 prominent galleries and museums in Mysore on Sunday. Second, the International Monetary Fund (IMF) has slapped 11 new conditions on Pakistan for the release of the next tranche of its bailout program. Now some entertainment news. Bollywood actor Paresh Rawal announced his exit from the much anticipated film Hera Fairy 3. Paresh Rawal has clarified that his decision was not because of any creative disagreement. Now some sports news. Before the 2021 Tokyo Olympics, if anyone had predicted that javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra would win an Olympic gold, he would have been laughed at. For independent India had never been an Olympic medal in athlete back then. Second, Grandmaster R. Praghananda defeated Maxime Vachier-Lagrave of France to win his first ever tournament on the Grand Chess Tour in the Superbet Classic in Romania. Now some Scout and Guide news. Jhalak Raghuvanshi, students of Raj University School and Scout Guide leader, secured top spot in class 10th exam with an impressive percentage of 97.8. Now some educational news. KL Rahul scripted history on Sunday evening in the Arjun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi, becoming the fastest Indian to reach 8,000 runs in T20 cricket, suppressing the legendary cricket player Virat Kohli. Second, Israel announced on Sunday that it has launched an extensive new ground operation in Gaza, marking a major escalation in the ongoing war that began in October 2023. Now some educational news. IIT Bombay announced on Saturday, May 17, the suspension of its agreement with several Turkish universities in response to the current geopolitical situation involving Turkey. Second, the Madras High Court granted on interim stay restraining authorities from releasing NEET UG 2025 result after the bench heard the plea of several students who were affected due to a power cut at an examination center in Chennai. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.